Put this in your house and 1 hour later, you'll never see flies or mosquitoes again. Summer rains and warm temperatures attract mosquitoes in droves. Did you know that mosquitoes and flies are most active at temperatures above 80 degrees? With so many diseases transmitted by mosquitoes, there's nothing better than knowing how to protect yourself and your family from these pesky insects. After we tried this recipe, the mosquitoes and flies were simply gone. That's why we want to share this trick with you. But first, tell us, what insects annoy you the most in your house? In today's video, you'll learn how to make a natural recipe to get rid of mosquitoes and ants at home. Although many consider them annoying visitors, mosquitoes play an important role in nature. Therefore, instead of killing them, you should think of alternatives to keep them away from your home or garden. Both mosquitoes and flies can be very unpleasant, especially on hot days and at bedtime. Learn now the ingredients of this recipe that you can use to keep them away from your house forever. Vinegar has an unpleasant smell for mosquitoes and ants, so it's recommended to scare away these insects. Cloves, on the other hand, are rich in eugenol, a substance with insecticidal properties. It's considered a powerful antiseptic and bactericide that keeps away mosquitoes and ants. Bay leaf, in turn, has a specific odor that deters insects and prevents them from reproducing. Amazing, isn't it? Now write down the ingredients for the recipe. 2 tablespoons of cloves, 2 bay leaves, half a cup of white vinegar, a glass of water. How to make: put the water in a pot, add the cloves and bay leaves, and boil it for 10 minutes. Let it cool down after that. Strain it, add the white vinegar, and mix well. Put the solution in a spray bottle, and it's ready to use. Since it smells like cloves, you can use this mixture to clean the dining table, the floor, spray the dishwasher, the countertops, the sofa, and near the windows. This will keep the mosquitoes away from your house, because these insects don't like the smell of cloves. Try it, and then share your experience with us.